Can you tell me about the food that you grew up with?
Every Ashkenazi thing and Hungarian. We had goulash and we had pastries. I always make a joke that my grandmother used to make a cake. It's called teeskalash, but nobody can equal the taste because it tastes like a closet because she kept it in the closet. we had we had teeskalash and goulash and um, dobos and all they were excellent cooks, the Hungarian. And my mom was the Ashkenazi, gefilte fish and kraut and soup. My favorite was something that my grandmother, my Polish grandmother, did, pierogies with cream, and they were potato pierogies. Or she made excellent kichelach, galletitas.